Hi, my name is Sylvie and my job is to take the overwhelm out of paleo living. Gomasio is a Japanese condiment and I have become obsessed with it. So I thought in today's video I would share how you can make your own at home. First, I purchased a container on Amazon. And you can probably find it anywhere in your local health food stores, even in some grocery stores. But these containers are really small and I have gone through it so fast. I just decided that it'd be a great idea to make my own. And so let's get to it. Gomassio is actually quite easy to make. All you need is natural sesame seeds. I bought these on Amazon. You will need some Himalayan salt or sea salt. And you can also add some type of seaweed like kelp flakes or dulse flakes. So I'll be using dulse flakes today. The first thing you need to do is to roast your sesame seeds. You do not have to roast them, obviously, but it does add to the flavor if you do. I'm using a cast iron pan, and I have about 2 cups of sesame seeds here. After about 2-3 minutes, you'll start hearing your sesame seeds crackle. Just keep stirring and they'll be turning nice and brown. After another 4 or 5 minutes, they'll be ready to use. So now what you're going to do is add a tablespoon of sea salt or Himalayan salt. And you can add your seaweed. I'm going to put 4 tablespoons. At this point, you have the option of using your Gomassio as is, or you can grind it in a food processor. And that's what I'll be doing today. You can look at the texture and decide how much you want to grind it. I love this stuff so much, I could just eat it with a spoon. But once it's done, you can just store it in a mason jar and use it on your salads. I use it on roasted vegetables and pretty much anything. Try it and let me know what you think. I bet you will love it just as much as I do.